Bandsaw blade is unrolled, hold it in just above the middle with your two hands and push towards the center with your thumbs. Keep pushing with your thumbs and make sure that the top starts rolling forward towards the bottom of the band. Get your hands closer by keeping the top of the blade down. Cross your hands and join the two sides of the blades over each other. Feel that the sides will be attracted to each other. Let the blade roll into itself. Your bandsaw blade is now folded. Make sure to attach something around it to keep it safe.